Hello everyone, in this video we'll discuss transitional words and linking phrases. I hope you know the difference between word and phrase. Word is a group of letters that has meaning, and group of words that has meaning together is called phrase. So transitional words and phrases both are the words and phrase that connect ideas within or between sentences. So it makes the our speech or paragraph looks logical and fluid. So let's see some transitional words. When we have to make some additions, so we use these transitional phrases. I hope all of you have already used it, like and. She likes reading and she enjoys writing. So here and has added these two sentences. Also, जब हम बोलते हैं भी, the book is interesting, also it is very informative. Moreover, इससे भी ज़्यादा, the product is affordable, moreover it is durable. Furthermore, इससे भी आगे, the proposal is feasible, furthermore it is innovative. Two, जो बोलते हैं भी, he is a skilled musician, he is talented artist too. Besides, मतलब के अलावा, the plan is not feasible, besides is too expensive. So we saw some transitional words for addition. Now for contrast, when we have to contrast two things. So for that we use first is but, you keep using it. She wanted to go to party, lekin but she had to work. However, that is what we call halaki. The exam was difficult, however she managed to pass. Yet, फिर भी, the plan seemed risky, yet it succeeded. Still, फिर भी, it was raining, still we decided to go hiking. Now there are transition words for cause and effect. First is because, that shows the reason. She was late because she missed the bus. Therefore, she studied इसलिए, she studied hard, he studied hard, therefore he passed the exam. Thus, इस प्रकार, the product was defective, thus we had to recall it. Consequently, मतलब परिणाम स्वरूप, the company faced financial losses, consequently layoff were implemented. So इसलिए, she forgot her umbrella, so he got wet in the rain. Now we will see some transitional words for comparison, like similarly. Similarly is for एक जैसे के लिए, the first model was compact, similarly the new version is portable. Likewise, इसी प्रकार she enjoys classical music, likewise her brother likes same genre. Time and sequence, जब time और sequence दिखाना हो तो we say first, second, third. First we need to gather the data, then we will work upon it, or second we will work upon it. Then उसके बाद we will analyze the results, then we will draft a report. Afterwards, उसके बाद the presentation was finished, afterward we had a discussion. Finally, सबसे last में, finally the project was completed. Meanwhile, मतलब इसी बीच, I was preparing dinner, meanwhile he set the table. अब अगर हम किसी पे emphasis करना हो, जोर डालना हो, so we use indeed. He is indeed the best candidate for the job. वास्तव में, certainly, बिल्कुल सही तरीके से, the evidence is certainly convincing, बिल्कुल convincing है. Undoubtedly, मतलब बिना डाउट के, she is undoubtedly the most qualified applicant. Now we have linking phrases. Again for addition. Addition के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? In addition to. In addition to her academic achievements, she is also an accomplished athlete. Not only but also. Not only did he win the award, but also he received recognition from his peers. Next, for contrast, what do we use for contrast? In contrast word सबसे पहले use करते हैं. In contrast, the new system was efficient. In contrast, उसके contrast में old system was slow. On other hand, the proposal was ambitious. On other hand, दूसरी तरफ, it may be too risky. In contrast to, मतलब comparison में, in contrast to last year's figure, this year's sales have increased significantly. Nevertheless, मतलब फिर भी, the weather was unfavorable, nevertheless the event was successful. For cause and effect, so cause and effect दिखाना हो तो we can use transitional phrases like as a result of. As a result of the new policy, the product was improved. Owing to मतलब के कारण, the flight was delayed owing to technical issues. Due to also means के कारण, the match was cancelled due to heavy rain. Comparison के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं in the same way. The company provides training for its employees in the same way it offers workshop for clients. Just as, बिल्कुल वैसे ही, just as a city grew rapidly, the suburb experienced similar growth. In the same vein मतलब उसी तरीके से. The first strategy was successful in the same way, उसी तरीके से the second approach should work, दूसरा approach भी वैसे ही work करना चाहिए. If you want to illustrate something or give clarification, so what do you use? We use for instance, example के लिए, many fruits are rich in vitamins. For instance, oranges are high in vitamin C. In other word, मतलब दूसरे शब्दों में, the result was inconclusive. In other words, the experiment did not provide clear answers. To illustrate मतलब अगर आप बोलते हैं एग्जाम्पल के लिए, या इसको और एग्जाम्पलीफाई करके दिखाएंगे, तो illustrate the importance of exercise, consider the benefit of heart health. Now, if you want to emphasize on something, so you use the phrases like above all. Above all, we must ensure the safety of our employees. In fact, her performance exceeded expectations without a doubt. Without a doubt, this is the best solution available. So these are the transitional words and linking phrases that we use to connect ideas in the sentence. So it makes the sentence fluid, it makes the paragraph fluid, it makes the idea go smoothly. So use this in your writing. Thank you.